Tired of hitting a PI rate limits? Fed up with weekly usage exceeded errors? On a free AI assistant that runs 24/7 with no token costs? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install OpenClaw with NVIDIA's free models. But fair warning, I made every mistake possible so you don't have to. By the end, you'll have a fully functional AI bot on Telegram and web that costs absolutely nothing. I'm running this on a Mac Mini M4 with 16 GB RAM, but this works on any system. And here's mistake number 1 that wasted 2 hours of my life. If you already have OpenClaw installed natively on your Mac, it's top. The native version and Docker version will fight over ports and tokens. I learned this the hard way when my bot kept responding with change mirrors. Mistake number 2, not saving this key immediately. Trust me, you don't want to regenerate it. Now, let's install Docker if you haven't already. Mistake number 3, using changemins as your token. Always generate a secure random token. This section alone will save you hours of debugging. The first one wins, so change overrides your secure token. Also check for this YML syntax error at the bottom. Bad YAML breaks everything. Always validate with Docker compose config before starting. Now let's start everything. Now open your browser and use this URL. You must include the token if you get a response. Congratulations, your local AI is working. Mistake number 6, forgetting to restart after adding variables. This is where most people get stuck. Mistake number 7, wrong command syntax. Xer version might need. Check pending requests first if unsure. If pairing is giving you headaches, here's the nuclear option. This adds your user ID directly to the allowed list, bypassing pairing entirely. Now, send a message from Telegram. Mistake number 8, expecting it to work immediately. Sometimes the first message fails, the second works. Be patient. Restart after changing. Never lose your config again. And there you have it. A completely free 24/7 AI assistant running on your own hardware with 0 API costs. Bookmark your web UI URL with the token for easy access. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. Questions? Drop them in the comments. Now go build something amazing with your free AI. I spent 3 hours debugging change before realizing I had 2 token lines. The moment I realized my old OpenClaw was still running and fighting for the port. When I finally saw the bot respond on Telegram,